In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a payment to a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward, but can make a huge difference in managing your business's finances efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, it's essential to keep your records accurate, and knowing how to properly apply a payment is a fundamental part of that. Let's walk through the steps together. First, we will start on the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. You'll notice there are several navigation options. Look for the icon labeled New, located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where we will begin our process. By clicking this New button, you'll open a menu that provides various options for transactions you can initiate. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that says Receive Payment. This choice is crucial because it indicates that you're recording money received from a customer for an outstanding invoice. Once you click on Receive Payment, a new window will appear, dedicated to processing this specific task. In this window, you'll see a field where you need to select the customer to whom you want to apply the payment. This step is important because it ensures that the payment is linked to the correct individual or business account. When you click on this field, a list of customers will appear. Carefully scroll through this list to find and select the customer whose invoice you are dealing with. Once you have selected the right customer, QuickBooks Online automatically displays all the invoices associated with them that still have outstanding balances. This display helps you quickly identify which specific invoices need payment application. Take a moment to review these invoices carefully. You will see checkboxes next to each invoice. This is where you apply the actual payment. Tick the checkboxes for the invoices that the payment covers. Make sure to accurately check only those invoices that have payment due. This ensures that your records remain precise and that there is no confusion later on when reviewing your accounting reports. With the correct invoices selected, you are ready to complete the transaction. All that's left to do is click on Save and Close, which records the transaction into your accounts. Once you've saved, you can feel confident that you've successfully applied the payment to the customer's outstanding invoices. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you keep your financial records up to date, offering clarity and insight into your business's financial health. Remember, accurate payment application aids in better cash flow management and customer account maintenance, helping you run your operations more smoothly. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope it makes your QuickBooks experience even better.